So I'm just deleting this line, and then I just used print statement. So what I'm doing here is I'm putting in double quotes, I'm putting what text I need to print, and then the variable name which I need to print. So this is a variable. If I hover also on this, right, it will show like it's a variable age, and it's also, I mean, here itself it's giving the value. In the next line I'm defining it, I mean, I want to print height, so I mentioned, so whatever text you want to print here, right, you can define it here in double quotes, like this. And if you just click on this, and so right now, because I haven't selected any kernel, so it's asking me to select one. So I'm selecting the base itself, because we are not using any kind of an additional functionality. So whatever we are doing here is by default in the existing Python itself. Okay, so it ran. So if I change the value, I mean, you can change the value, because I told you, I mean, these values can change. We are conscious enough. That is why we are using variables in this, because I mean, we know like these values can change. If I again click, so we will have an effect in the output itself. So this is how variable and its assignment works. So left side it's a variable, and on the right side these are values. And what we are doing is we are assigning 35 to age, we are assigning 6.1 to height, we are assigning this value to name. Okay, so this is what we call as assignment.
Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed our session at LWP Labs. For more videos like this, you can subscribe to our channel and contact the number for live classes. The future is now with AI.